So last lesson we made a seating plan for a plane which showed how many tickets we had sold and what type of ticket they were, whether it was an adult child ticket or perhaps a VIP ticket. And that's really useful because we can use that information to start calculating how much money we've made from these ticket sales. So what I want you to do on your spreadsheets is to begin with a little table here which we're going to use to calculate sales. So sales totals, I'll call this table, and then the first amount I want to work out is how many adult tickets I've sold, or adult seats, and then child seats and VIP seats. So I've typed all of those in. I'm going to highlight that and put a border around it. If I select all borders, you'll notice there's not quite enough space, so I'm going to hover to resize my cells, hover and then drag in the gap to resize those. Also, sales totals is more of a title for this table, so if I highlight those two cells together, I can click on the merge and center button, perhaps even make my text bold. I've got a title for this table. Now it's time to use this Countif function. So what I want to tell this cell here is I want it to count all the seats if they contain the letter A. So the way we do that, if you go up to where it says auto sum, click on the drop down list and choose more functions. And in here I'm going to search for the function which is called Countif, all one word, no spaces. Press enter and it will search for that. It's at the top of my list now. It's called Countif. If I double click on that, first of all it's asking me for the range, which means where am I supposed to be counting. So we're supposed to be counting all the seats on the plane. So if I highlight those, it's put those in as the range. And the criteria means what it's looking for to count them. If I put in the letter A and press OK, it's telling me that there are 23 adult seats we've sold. Let's check it's working. If I add another 2 adults, see it's gone up to 25, so it's working. Let's do the same again for child seats. If I'm clicked in this cell, we're going to more functions. Countif is now in your list. Double click on it. The range, this area here. And the criteria, this time it's not an A, it's a C. That's okay. And we've got 11 children. And do it one more time for VIP, so more functions, double click on Countif, select the range by pressing on this button, and push this button to go back. And this time it's a V for VIP. There we go. So that is how to work out how many seats you've sold. Next we'll work out how much money we've made.